What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today, it's a double two mystery box unboxings. First up, we have a 20,000 peso or $400 luxury mystery box. As you guys can see, it says over there, Luxury Unlimited, the Undisputed Plug, Unbox Me. And then we're going to unbox a 67,000 peso or $1,300 bag mystery box from the brand Freitag. So let's get to it. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we have a ton of ongoing giveaways. We're giving away a WTAPS Skate High Van sneaker. We're giving away a Jordan 32 in collaboration with fellow Filipino sneaker YouTuber, Sean Santamaria. And we're also giving away a Nike Stranger Things Tailwind sneaker. All you guys have to do, subscribe to my channel and then check out the mechanics for the individual giveaways in the description box down below. So let's kick things off with the big yellow box. So as you guys can see, it says here Luxury Unlimited, the Undisputed Plug. Luxury Unlimited on their Instagram and on their Facebook page. It says here Unbox Me. So I kind of appreciate the effort that they went through to make it, well, not your ordinary, box. So let's pop this open. Ooh! I was actually expecting sneakers, but it turns out we have a bunch of Supreme hype stuff. Let's go over the items one by one and take a look at what's inside this mystery box. First up, we have two Supreme Supreme permanent markers from Pilot. So we have one in black and we have one in red. So you have high performance markers that have broad tips, and this is from what I remember using Pilot markers. They dry quickly. But yeah, it's permanent, so it's not something that I would use on my whiteboard. But hey, awesome. I think these sell for like over 500, 700, 800 pesos a piece on StockX, or you can probably sell them like at 1,000 pesos each here in the Philippines. But yeah, that's the first thing on the list, the Supreme Color Permanent Marker from Pilot. We have two. Next up, we have a Zippo Supreme lighter. So of course, I don't smoke, but it would be nice to have like a lighter around every time you need like fire, and the good thing is at least it's Supreme. But anyway, so let's pop this box open. Wow, it looks really nice. I mean, take a look at that, guys. So it comes in this Zippo metallic case, and you have the Supreme branding up front and at the bottom. And yeah, I really am not the guy. Oh yeah, there's tape, so I won't like pop it open yet. But yeah, this one, I think if I'm not mistaken, let's take a quick look on StockX how much this lighter costs. So it's selling right now for like $95 or roughly 5,000 pesos. Not bad. Wow, 5,000 pesos for a lighter. So that's the next item, a Supreme Zippo lighter. Next up, we have the C trademark pouch pochette transparent, again with Supreme. This is in color red and in a large, size. So this one, I think you usually bring with you if you are traveling. At least it says here you put your passport. So yeah, it has this transparent area over here at the front. It says Supreme, the branding. The material is pretty good, pretty nice. And then you have like what do you call this? Like a necklace, so you can hang it from your neck when you are traveling. So yeah, clear, watertight, personal pouch with a transparent front so you can see what you put inside. So yeah, that's the next item. Oh, let's take a look at how much this sells for. So based on StockX, this sells for $57, roughly 2,500 to 3,000 pesos. Now guys, we have a bit of a problem. I actually paused just a while back and I thought I was recording when I unboxed the last two items, but unfortunately it was off. So instead of reenacting everything, I'll just show you guys what I initially unboxed but wasn't able to capture in video. So next we had like a Supreme shower cap from their Spring Summer 2019 collection. I have it actually here. So it's literally like a summer cap with a lot of Supreme written at the top. So since we already have it out, might as well wear it for the duration of the unboxing. And then we have this really nice red shirt, which I think is like the main hot item in this, mystery box. So this is the Supreme Stripe Rib Waffle Top in red. So it Looks really nice. It's a nice red shirt, very loud. And if you take a look at the back, that's where all the hype is at. So it says there, Supreme New York, written across the back of the shirt. So this one, if I'm not mistaken, sells for like over 5,000 pesos brand new, or a little over 7-something thousand based on stock X. So if you take a look at all the items combined, this one, plus this one, plus this one, yeah, it's approximately around 19,000 pesos based on my estimates. So if you guys want to check out the guys who sent if you guys want to check out the store who sent this over, please do check them out. Luxury Unlimited. I'll flash the card over here, so just in case you guys want to contact them or you want to follow them on Instagram or follow them over at their Facebook page. So obviously they have a lot of Supreme and hype stuff to offer, and maybe they even have sneakers. So check them out. The link to their Instagram account can be found down below. Luxury Unlimited, thank you very much for the mystery box. But we are definitely far from done, guys. We have this massive, well, that's not massive, it's just really heavy. This is a mystery box from one of my favorite bag brands. They're an upcycled brand, which means they use recycled materials, or upcycled materials means they were retreated so that you can use them and repurpose them. It's Freitag. So they sent me a bunch of bags that they have from their newest, well, drop here in the Philippines. So yeah, let's unbox it, take a look at the bags, and then yeah, check them out. According to this list inside the box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. And the total value, if you add them all up, is 67,800 pesos, roughly 1,300 US dollars. So let's go over the items one by one. So first up, we have a nice side bag over here in a white and blue colorway. Again, it's made from upcycled tarpaulin. They get the tarpaulins from trucks that fly different routes over at Europe and Switzerland. So every design is a one of one because they cut the tarpaulins, treat them, and then turn them into bags. The straps are actually made from seat belts, so very nice quality, very sturdy. Same time, you guys are helping the environment and stuff. So this side bag is called the Lassie, and this one sells for 12,000 pesos. A bit pricey, but hey, if you're looking for a nice side bag that actually stands for something and it's not just your typical bag, check this one out. Next, we have like a more bigger, wow, this is like a nice, how do you call this? It's a nice duffel bag that can also double as a backpack. Yeah. Or no, it's a, oh yeah, that's how it looks. So this one is called the Maurice, and this one sells for 7,600 pesos. Inside it is another bag, well, two more bags. So we have the laptop sleeve over here for the MacBook Air 13-inch. I can actually use this. Gives a lot of Brazil vibes with the color. This one sells for 5,600 pesos. And then we also have like a really small bag. So it's like a fanny pack. So if you guys want like an upcycled fanny pack, this one is called the Jamie, and it also sells for 7,600 pesos. This next bag is familiar because I actually have one in a different color and in a different design. But wow, this one looks really nice. This is called the Skipper. So it's another backpack that they have. It has a zipper in the middle, this latch to keep it closed. You have like a handle here along the side, different compartments. I love the color. It says here M-E, so me. So yeah, it just looks really nice. Upcycled materials again. This one is a bit pricey. The Skipper sells for 20,000 pesos. Lastly, if you are corporate like me and you want like an all-around, I don't know, like bag to carry a lot of your stuff to work, this is called the Lewis. Sells for 12,000 pesos. This one is in a metal gray or silver color. Lots of compartments for your laptops and other stuff that you bring to and from work. Guys, if you want to check out Freitag, they have a pop-up store over at Rockwell Power Plant Mall. They also have like a shop inside the shop. Check out Urban Traveler over at Greenbelt. And you can also check out all the Freitag products that they have by following Urban Traveler on Instagram. The link to their Instagram account can be found down below. Shout out Urban Traveler. Thank you for the mystery box. So before we end the vlog, let me just put on my Supreme battle gear. Yeah, we have the mask. We have the shower head thingy. And it's not Supreme, but it's color red. Guys, thanks for watching the vlog. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.